Good evening, guys. Muhammad Akbar here again. So, in my last two vlogs, we have been exploring two villas community by different developers, totally different in different cities. Today, I'm gonna talk about the apartments. So, the location we are going today and the project we are going to discuss today has always been the premium segments of Dubai apartments real estate part. So the connectivity is great. Whenever this project comes in, it gets sold out within few hours of the same day on the launch. I'm not gonna explain the location right now. Let's wait till the vlog ends and then I'll disclose the location. What are we going to talk about? The rentals here are quite crazy. The appreciation from the previous phases, investors have made up to 50 to 100% return on these apartments. So let's wait and watch. We'll share the location and the details very soon. So we have reached the location of the plot. This project is called Crest Lane at City Walk by Meraz Developer. So as you can see behind me, there are few construction buildings. They are already under the construction and going to be soon handed over. This also called the Central Park building, which is also a part of City Walk. Behind me, if you see, the location is amazing. You get to see the full skyline of Dubai downtown on one side. On the other side, we do have the Jumeirah Beach Road, which will take you to Jumeirah Beach in less than 7 minutes. If we talk about the location in details, we are like 11 minutes away from DIFC. We are like 12 to 13 minutes from Business Bay Dubai and literally 7 minutes away from Dubai Mall and downtown Dubai. So if we talk about Meraz as a developer, Meraz has a great history. Meraz is a government-backed developer. They have done some iconic landmarks in Dubai, such as Marshall Arab, Bulgari Island. They all belong to Meraz. So many people have asked me why I do go and visit the plot and location, or why do I come to these locations. So because see, if you whatever you see on the location on Google Map, and many agents promise you the views and everything. I personally visit the location of the plot to show you the actual view from the location. So if we talk about this location, this Burj Khalifa view is going to be amazing, full skyline, downtown view, and you're literally minutes away from the downtown Dubai. So the location is quite premium. So if we talk about the payment plan, the price point, the starting price point is 2.7 million dirhams for the one bedroom. We do have one bedroom, two plus mate, three bedroom, four bedroom and four bedroom duplexes and penthouses. The payment plan is 75% during the construction in the span of 3.5 to 4 years time and 25% on handover. I hope you guys like the location. The location sits right in the center of Dubai, very close to the all the major business hubs and residential hubs of Dubai, like downtown Business Bay, DIFC. So the location is very premium. So you just admire the appreciation you're gonna get here once the development gets completed. The only motive to visit the construction site on the plot is to just to show you the exact views from the plot. And if we talk about the amenities in terms of number, there are 20 plus amenities in the whole community. You have water features, you have skate park, you have multiple sports courts, so you have 15 plus amenities in total. The reason to make this vlog today was that the upcoming launch is just around the corner. We are collecting expression of interest. So if you're the end user or the real estate investor, I would definitely want you to ring me up. I will take you personally to the location. Let's discuss about this project in details. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media handles to get the latest Dubai real estate updates.